If you've ever found yourself drowning in too many tabs while working, researching, or shopping online, this quick guide is going to change the way you browse today. You'll learn exactly how to use group tabs in Microsoft Edge, a simple but powerful feature that keeps your workflow clean, organized, and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Take a look at any tab you already have open. Right-click on it, and you'll see a menu appear. From there, choose Add Tab to New Group. Instantly, Edge creates a brand new group for that tab. You'll notice it gives the group a default name, but you're not stuck with it. Just click the group label and type in whatever helps you stay organized. You can name groups based on what you're doing. Things like research, shopping, or work projects. Clear names make switching between tasks much easier. Next, give your group a visual identity. Edge lets you assign a color to each group, so pick one that stands out. Color coding becomes incredibly helpful when you're juggling multiple tab groups at once. To add more tabs to your group, right-click on another tab, select Add Tab to Group, and choose the group you just created. Within seconds, you're building a tidy, categorized workspace that keeps related pages together. Managing your groups is just as simple. Click the group name to collapse or expand the entire set of tabs. Collapsing groups keeps your tab bar clean and reduces the visual chaos when you're multitasking. If you ever want to rename the group or change its color, just right-click on the group label and adjust it anytime. And if a tab no longer belongs in a group, right-click it and choose Ungroup. This lets you reorganize your setup on the fly without deleting anything. By using grouped tabs, you'll keep your browsing environment streamlined, efficient, and far easier to navigate, especially during heavy research or fast-paced work sessions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized browsing experience with Microsoft Edge.